What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Skl, which has pumped up near about 18% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just below 8 cents. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up so much, can it potentially hit 10 cents over the coming days or even in the coming weeks, and also looking at its potential for the next couple of weeks, months, and overall in 2024, how high can it go. I've seen a lot of comments saying it can get to around the dollar mark by the end of the year, which is quite of a push, but we'll get into that later on in the video to see how high can it go. Is it worth buying it right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it and take out your profits, or should you hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term as well. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the usual purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Skl, which is here in purple, and we can see the actual value of Skl is here in red at a slightly lower value, meaning it is performing lower than expected, but due to the fact that it is very close, it is pretty much on target. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have both the lines going in opposite directions, so it is looking quite skeptical. The blue line is looking bearish and the orange line is looking bullish, so one's looking negative and one's looking positive. So what does this mean for Skl? An overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, the crypto should be trading around its current price range. I'm expecting it to be hovering around the 8 cents target by midday tomorrow, so it is likely to hit more red candles over the coming hours, as well as green candles. So do expect quite of a wave, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side. So hovering around 8 cents in value is what I'm expecting from Skl by midday to tomorrow afternoon. So again, no major changes are expected, even though it is likely to be volatile in between. Zooming into the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line is looking very bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not realistic. The reason they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 7 to 8 days, so by mid next week. However, that is not the case. I'm expecting Skl to have taken a little bit of a dip back down over the next 7 to 8 days, so essentially going for a little price correction, heading below 7 cents in value is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by mid next week. However, in between that time, it is likely to hit both red and green days, but unfortunately, guys, the red days are likely to be bigger than the green days, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Skl network over the coming week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we have taken a complete U-turn here, guys. We got the blue line and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction. However, the orange line is looking quite steep, meaning that is not realistic. So what are my prediction for Skl over the next 6 to 8 weeks? So mid to late March 2024, I'm expecting Skl to have gone for an overall increase in value, heading past the 10 cents target is where I'm expecting it to be trading at, potentially heading over around 12 to 13 cents in value is where I'm expecting Skl to be trading at in late March and early April, because I'm also expecting the crypto market to be moving to the positive direction. But at the moment, guys, do expect more red days over the coming week or two, taking a little bit of a dip, going for a price correction before it slowly starts to gain value in February and March, heading higher than where it is at the moment to around 12 to 13 cents is what I'm expecting from Skl. But if there are any changes to that, for example, if I'm expecting a major crash or a major bull run or a price pump, anything that can have a major impact on the value of Skl, either in a positive or negative direction, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are currently trading in the red zone, and it is likely to drop down a little bit further down over the coming week, down to the red zone here, and then potentially hit the resistance level in mid-February, which is 9 cents, and potentially break out into the green zone by late February and early March, heading to around 12 and 13 cents, as I mentioned earlier on in the video. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see that the trading volume has gone up over 140% in the last 24 hours, which is a huge increase, guys. Currently it is $80 million. Again, the reason it has gone up so much is due to the fact that it has pumped up quite a bit earlier on this afternoon, so a lot more people have been trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, and hence why it has been getting a lot of attention from the crypto market. And the fact that it has been one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours has made it a trending crypto, and a lot more people are buying and selling the crypto, which is in return helping the value of Skl pump up as well. As you guys can see right now, it is getting closer to the 8 cents target. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Skl, guys. Comment down below, how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And again, yes, I've seen a lot of people saying the dollar mark, however, I don't believe that it's possible for Skl to hit the dollar mark even by the end of the year, as it is going to require to go for a major price increase, which I'm not expecting at the moment. So yeah, the dollar mark is potentially next year or in the coming years. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.